is the third tutorial in my series about folds. In the last one, we did horizontal folds that did things like that. In this tutorial, the folds are going to be vertical, like this. And we're also going to put them into a weave combo to have an interrupted weave and another interrupted weave that looks like that. So, let's get started. With these vertical folds, we're thinking about turning them on that vertical plane, rotating around themselves. They're not going to travel up and down. That's another whole lot of fun, but a different tutorial. This one, the visual effect keeps them in the same place and they rotate around that. So we're going to start with hoop in our right hand, hand at the bottom, knuckles up. Nice vertical, and then we pull the hoop in across our body to the horizontal and up to the top. And then we push it out through the horizontal and down to the bottom. That can be reversed. So now it's going to go top, bottom. And you'll notice at the bottom, our arm is inside the hoop. Once we've done the fold, it is now on the outside of the hoop. Have a little practice at how that feels, going 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And like every good hooper, we of course practice it on both sides. 1, 2, 1, 2. When you're comfortable with that, we're going to add in an extra one. So it'll be 1, 2, 3. So it's going from the bottom, top to bottom, and top. And you'll find yourself in this rather strange little grip. It gets to feel familiar with practice. And of course it can be reversed. So we're going to go from the top, bottom, top, bottom. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Keep practicing it till it comes comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now you've got both those types of folds, we can put them into our weave combos. We're going to start in that same position we've been using. We're going to do the forward weave by going across our body, bring it back, finding ourselves in the starting position again, and doing a 1, 2 fold. 1, 2. We can sweep back, across, stop, and interrupt it with a weave. The fold. And if instead we interrupt it with the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we're back in that funny little grip again, and we can sweep it over like that. If we just do that 1, 2, 3 fold, I'll show you something. 1, 2, 3. When you sweep it back, you want to make it a really big action. If you keep it tight, it's going to look awkward and feel really uncomfortable. So sweep it back and over in a big circle, and then you can go wherever you like. I quite like giving it a little twiddle and starting some more folds. But you now have the ingredients to do whatever you would like to do with these vertical folds. So have some fun, play around, try doing your own thing, ask me questions if you'd like to, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Thank you for watching. Bye.